Oh, looks like no one's coming again. Attempt number 2, unsuccessful so far. Let's try this again.
Hey, are you there?
There we go. Hey.
I think you're calling me on another one. I'm sorry, I didn't see those earlier.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Cool.
I
Did
don't
you?
think anyone else is coming, so.
Yeah, I think that Ryan had a test, and I'm still confused how often we need to send a link, but I just do it with both projects, so I
Yeah, I
think
do
it's good.
too. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to with
And
both.
is your voice like, do you hear an echo on your end, or is the sound okay?
Do you hear an echo?
Can you
I
hear
don't.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So you hear an
Okay.
echo on mine?
Oh, no, I don't. I just have you like on my speakers, and I know sometimes it can create an echo, so I just want to make sure you're good.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Um, cool. Did you have any questions on the first project, Mini Project 15?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, same here. It's pretty straightforward. So hopefully, I don't think Brian had any questions. So, did you start the second one at all?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Yes.
There's a couple things I wanted to share with you guys, just that took me a second, that hopefully it can help you. Is it okay if I do that really quick?
Okay. Yeah, for sure.
That way, I don't know, you guys have helped me so much, so let me just share my screen really quick. Um, okay, just pull that up here. So I created an additional calculation sheet, which I
Okay.
think looks good. So this is what my dashboard looks like. It's actually pretty straightforward, like this part right here. Um, you're just going to do the vehicle model and the add-on option, which is all in this page. So you're going to be doing H lookups.
Okay.
So this is an H lookup. This is an H lookup. This is just a formula based off of these answers.
Okay.
And same with the gross marginal percentage. But yeah, that should help give you a pretty good shortcut because I was trying to do a VLOOKUP for a minute.
Oh.
And then you're also going to want, I don't know if you noticed right here in this part of the formula, I did the +1 situation thing that he shows in the assignment video.
Okay.
On the add-on video, I just did a match for prices and then a
Okay.
match for costs. So you're
Okay.
gonna, that's what this part is. It's my match. So you could
Okay.
technically put in there parenthesis match, blah, 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 blah. But I just found it easier to just have it in its own input cell. So,
Gotcha.
anyways, and then on the salesperson key performance indicators, this is probably confusing since you haven't started it yet, but it'll help you once you get started. So these ones I did as some ifs statements.
Okay.
So just keep that in mind. But before you can even do that, I made an additional table right here. that took like the salespeople, how many units they sold, how many sales, the total cost, total profit, total gross margin, so that I could come down and make this formula. And then I just copied and pasted these into the dashboard. So this whole calculation sheet is also SUMIF. So I had to, what it's asking for in step number 3 is it wants to know how many units each person sold, but it wants it to match up with the month that's selected, right? So they just want to know how many Harry sold in the month of August or how many Harry sold in the month of June. So yeah, that's where the SUMIF statement comes in. So I just did SUMIF the salesperson. If the salesperson matches whoever's on my dashboard, then I'm having it get the sum of my units sold, which is on sales data. I hope this isn't too confusing. So
I think I got it.
yeah, and in step 2, you're going to add all of this information. So it normally just goes like up to here, but then you're going to add all of this and you're going to have it calculate, like you're going to have it put the cost in if someone purchased that specific add-on. And that's an if statement within a VLOOKUP statement within an if statement.
Okay.
This is for step number 2.
Okay.
This one's an HLOOKUP statement. Oh wait, yeah, so this one, they should all be HLOOKUP statements. I'm sorry, I experimented on this one and then I realized it should all be HLOOKUP because that allows you to drag it over.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, this will all make more sense when you see the assignment. But anyhow, hopefully this makes sense. I added this additional, where did it go? I added a section right here that it doesn't tell you to add in the directions, but which made it really helpful, which was total units sold.
Okay.
Because that part doesn't exist at all, but you need it in order to get this information.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, hopefully that helps you guys. I just want you to be able to. Oh yeah, and then one other thing is like for December, Harry didn't sell anything, and this had a division error, like the div/0 error. So I just did an if error statement right here.
Nice.
So anyways, because that happens a couple of times with certain salespeople. Hopefully that helps you guys. So yeah, thanks for all of your help.
Yeah, no, thank you. One thing on project 15, I was going to show you guys real quick. You know how, here, I'll share my screen. So you know how when you click one of these, it messes up your columns?
Yeah. Oh, so bad.
So one thing I found is if you like select this, right click, and then pivot table options.
Okay.
Unclick on this.
Oh.
And then your columns will stay the same.
Yay! Good to know.
So then you can do whatever you want and your columns won't all be messed up.
Thank you. Oh, that reminds me too, by the way, going back to this one, something that I found just messing around. So in this section, on the sales data section, there's the month category and then the salesperson category. Well, there's like obviously not 20 million months of January in our year. There's only one, right? So in this dashboard, we want to have the salespeople, but we don't want their names repeated.
Oh yeah.
So what had happened was I originally made those lists. I'd given them their own name, and then I just created a data validation list. But then it had like a million Januaries, a million Februaries. So what I did was I come over to calculations. I copied and pasted those specific rows from sales data. So they went down all the way to row 399. But then if you keep it highlighted, you can go up here under data and go to remove duplicates.
Oh, nice.
And then it will just narrow it down to one each.
Nice.
And then use this one right here in your data validation list right here.
Cool.
So that tripped me up for a while. So that's a good hint. Same with the names.
Yeah, for sure.
Yep. Cool. Thank
Awesome.
you. I'm glad you showed me that other trick. Awesome.
Yeah, no problem. I will send you the link right now.
Okay, perfect. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Okay, have a good night.
You too. Bye.